Hey everyone. So once you've enabled your StreamYard Studio on Hopin, then you are brought to this page and you'll come here to the middle where it says Broadcast Studio and you get this studio link. So all you have to do is click to copy this link and then open a new tab and paste the link in the new tab. So then it brings you into the Broadcast Studio. And you're brought to this page where you can check your camera and your microphone. So it all looks good. We're going to enter the studio. The first thing I'm going to do is just add myself to the stream here. And so today I'm going to go over how to invite the guest into the studio, how to change the layouts of your stream with a guest on screen with you, and then also how to share long form videos as well as sharing your screen. I'm also going to go over how to stop and start your live broadcast because that is a feature that you can do when you're streaming from Hopin Backstage using StreamYard. To invite a guest, you just come down here to the big invite button and it generates this link. Now, all you have to do is click to copy this link and you can send it to your guest via Gmail, email, Messenger, or however you'd like. I'm just going to send it to my coworker via Slack. And then in just a moment, you will see she's going to click on the link and she'll pop down into the broadcast studio at the bottom left corner. So there she is. Hi, Dana. So Dana pops down as a guest into the bottom of the screen. And in order to add her to the stream, all I have to do is hover over her thumbnail and click to add her. Hi, Dana.
How's it going?
Pretty good. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial.
You bet.
So now I'm going to go over the different layouts. Now that I have a guest in the studio, you can see we are using the second from the left layout, which is like a zoomed in kind of split screen feature. We can also use this third one, which gives a different look. This exposes the background. So we have this big blue background on screen right now, but if you come over to the brand tab on the right and scroll all the way down, you can choose to change that background to something that fits your branding a little better. The next one is where one speaker is bigger and the other is smaller. And if you click on your guest and move them, you can switch the videos, which is really, really cool feature. So now Dana is big. And if I wanted to be big again, I would click and drag my video box to switch us. You can also solo screen your guest by clicking this big solo button. So now you can still hear me because I'm still on screen, but Dana is being solo screened. So she's taking up the entire space. And then we'll exit solo screen. The next feature I would like to share is if you come down here to the share button, you have two options. You have both the video file share feature and the screen share feature. So these are for different things. Video file feature is for sharing MP4 or MOV files directly off of your desktop. And these can be pre-recorded videos of any length and any size. So you just click on video file and then it shows up down here in your broadcast studio. And when you're ready to show that pre-recorded video, all you have to do is hover over it and click to add it to the stream. And you can also pause the video from here and you can adjust the volume and you can also toggle through and scrub through the video. And then also, while you have a video displayed, you can change the layout. So if you want yourself to be bigger than your video, you can use this layout down here. You can also have both you and your guest on the left and your video front and center, or you can have the video full screen, which is really cool. And when I play it, this bar will go away. So that is how the video file share feature works. It's super cool because you can share a video of any size and any length. So it's really, really awesome. And it shares the audio and the video directly when you click to share. Now, the other thing you can do is you can share your screen. And this is better for if you're sharing like a keynote presentation, a Google Slides presentation, or something like that. You can share your screen and bring it up the same way that you did your video file share. Now we're ready to go live. So I'm going to come in the top right corner and click the blue Go Live button. Ready to go live? Yes, we are. And then you'll see this "You are live" in the middle of your screen. You'll also see the live timer that shows you how long you've been on the air. And the really cool thing about streaming in the Hopin event stage with StreamYard is you can actually start and stop your broadcast. So if I wanted to pause my broadcast, I can click stop. And then it takes me off the air, but I also see this go live button still there. So if I want to go live again, all I have to do is click that button again and go live again, and it starts the timer over. So I hope this tutorial was super helpful, and we will see you in the next one. Happy streaming.